Here it is, boys.
Hello,
hello. Oh, somebody on the zip line.
This one?
Yeah.
Hello, Lodge, boys.
Wow. Here it is, boys.
First time seeing our lodge. Let's see.
Good boy.
Yay, well done.
Oh, happy with this.
Wow.
Wow.
Nestled in Dorset's lush woodlands, Sandford Holiday Park offers a picturesque setting just a short drive from the coast. The park features heated indoor and outdoor pools, a high ropes course, and a variety of family-friendly activities.
Okay, we're just leaving the lodge now and we're just going for a bit of a walk. It's a beautiful day. It's the lodge. Dan. Oh, some cars going past.
That's a lot on that one.
Hello. Six on there. We got the washing out because we went swimming earlier, by the way. Tommy. There's lots of nice trees all around and hedging. Mike had a bit of a wander around the touring bit the other day and he said that there's lots of hedging between the pitches like there is in France. Hello. Gonna have a wander down to the entertainment complex and we believe that there's some wrestling on today, so we're just intrigued to go and have a little look.
See the girls are waving at the boys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Quite a lot of bins around, actually.
Oh yeah.
I noticed.
Oh yeah. And there's cherry trees again. Yeah. This is the fish and chippery. Fish and chippery. And this is the entertainment complex.
See the VR experience.
This is the outdoor swimming pool, which, as you can see, not in use at the moment. We've got the laundrette over there, scoops, and the swimming pool, which I can't really film at the minute.
Looks like you interested in the summer. You must be able to access scoops both sides. Though.
Yeah, oh yeah.
One's for the ones in the swimming pool,
Yeah, yeah.
and the others. I'll have a quick walk.
Okay, yeah, okay. Okay. What's that? Ankle bar. Oh my god. Scoops. See that swimming up there and laundrette. Nice place to sit. Let's have a little look down here. Oh. That's the Thunderbird fried chicken. Nice. Place to go and get some chicken, dips and burgers over there. That's the trampoline in. Bungee trampolines. £5 per person. And you got the shop just over there, the nicer. That's the car park when you arrive. That's play area. And this is the reception and entertainment complex. And this centre. Oh, Sammy wants to go.
No, I don't.
I know.
I
know.
see the wheel actually turned.
I know. That's the reception there. That's the boathouse.
We didn't really want to, we were trying to turn it There was another guy that said, look, stop it for the team. They just so assumed how to do something. So when you come to call them, that will look for already,
Vending machines. Yeah.
toilets. Let's go. Have a look.
They then made their way to the Sports Dome, which is at the other end of the site near the touring park.
The high ropes, pedal pod. The sports court and dome, that's where the archery was.
Yeah.
And where the table tennis.
And we're going up for the crazy golf, aren't we, today?
They seem to call it adventure golf.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they're all queuing up.
Queuing up.
Here's Sam.
See them all queuing up to go in.
Sam.
I thought this was the way to ping pong.
Yeah, it is. That's where the crazy golf is, up this way. Oh, all queuing up. Yeah.
Well, they're right back there.
Oh. This is our road where our lodge is. Chestnut Avenue.
Would be hard enough to do. You lived in one of the caravans.
Yeah, it would, wouldn't it?
They're going to play the golf now. Here it is.
Oh, yeah.
Pirate.
Here's the pirate.
Builders have a hand.
Hello.
We booked it for 3 o'clock. Yeah.
I think we should do Jurassic so then Daddy can see new friends. Doing archery this morning, booked in for 10 o'clock, so.
Good stop.
What is that?
Oh. Lucky.
What's this?
Good return, mother. No, I'm not running for
The high ropes. Wow. Oh, we got like a zip line as well. Somebody on the zip line. Oh. 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 Oh, he's gonna go. Is he gonna go? Hey. Oh, scary that looks. Oh, oh, it's high. It's high, isn't it? I don't get me going on there. Oh,
There's a lot of people here.
yeah. That's a big tree, isn't it?
Looks like it's totally booked up.
Yeah, it does. For Easter, it's back now.
That's the place where they stay next to the cars, so to get into them. Safari tent, you can like hire them.
Nice.
That looks good, doesn't it? They
Does.
look like houses, don't they?
Yeah.
Go and have a look at one, John.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Was it on? What was it? I like it on this
Yeah.
bit though. Outfit is nicer.
Nice big pictures, aren't they?
Yeah.
Just
That
getting
one
a...
would
Yeah.
suit us lovely, wouldn't it?
It's nice. Oh, it's got electric.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really like the look of that pitch.
Yeah.
Going down the next one.
Okay. Yeah, they're quite big, aren't they?
These are quite big.
Quite big pictures. And nice they got all the hedging round, isn't it?
Some people
And
have
the,
tents here.
and the trees. Yeah. Yeah. So quick look. Elson Point.
What is an Elson Point?
That's the ladies' toilets. Where you empty your toilet. Where you do your washing up. It's nice. Yeah.
Have a look, yeah. Have you seen those?
Nice. Nice, they've got hot tubs these then, yeah. We're just leaving now and there's lots of cars leaving as well besides us.
And it's raining.
And it's raining, yeah. So picked a good time to go. If you liked our video, please subscribe and hit the like button.